Hey everyone, welcome to Sheeba's Cookery World. In today's video, let's see the recipe of Broccoli Paneer Cutlet, which is healthy and tasty as well. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. To start with, I've taken a cup of broccoli florets, which I'm gonna chop into small pieces. I'm gonna just use the top portion of the florets and then use the stem for something else. By the way, here is the nail art that my niece had done. She wanted me to actually show this on my video. It has actually started coming out, but those were nice, beautiful roses that she had made. Thanks Sanju for that. So I'm gonna chop the rest of the florets in this way. Next, add some cooking oil to a pan. Once the oil turns hot, add in some cumin and wait until it splutters. Next, add in some crushed ginger garlic. You can also use ginger garlic paste for this. Saute it on a medium flame until the raw smell is gone. Next, add in some finely chopped onion. Also add in some Hing or Asafoetida and fry it for a few seconds. Next, add in some salt and saute the onion until it changes its color. Add in some finely chopped green chillies. Now add the finely chopped broccoli to this. Saute it for a couple of minutes on a medium flame. Add in some turmeric powder and some Garam Masala. Saute it for 1 more minute. Next, I'm going to add some paneer, which I have finely crushed. If you want, you can also grate the paneer and add it to this. Saute it until it gets well incorporated with the broccoli. Next, I'm gonna add some boiled and mashed potatoes to this. Use your spoon or spatula to incorporate it well into the broccoli and paneer mixture. Finally, add in some freshly chopped coriander leaves and saute it. The broccoli cutlet mixture is now ready. Let it cool down for some time. Once the mixture has come to room temperature, use your hands to blend them together. Take small portions of this mixture and then roll and flatten it to make small patties. Make similar patties with the remaining mixture. You can make around 8 cutlets from this recipe. In order to coat these patties with breadcrumbs, I'm going to prepare a slurry. Take some Maida or all-purpose flour in a bowl and add some water to it and make a slurry. Take each of the patties, dip it in the slurry and then coat it with breadcrumbs. These are store-bought breadcrumbs, however you can make them at home as well. Coat them thoroughly with the breadcrumbs. Now let's shallow fry these patties. Add some cooking oil or vegetable oil to a pan. Once the oil turns slightly hot, place the patties one by one. Fry them on a medium flame until it turns slightly brown on one side. Flip over and fry from the other side as well. Once done, remove them onto a kitchen towel to get rid of the excess oil. The broccoli paneer cutlets are now ready to be served. Enjoy these cutlets while they are still hot. These cutlets are very healthy and tasty as well. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. Click below to subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Do check out some of the other interesting recipes on my channel below. Thanks for watching.